Today I'm going to show you guys how to install our laptop mount on the Roland GR series plotters. Now, to install this, what you're going to do is you're going to go and just take a Phillips head screwdriver, put it in, get it fastened in there, simply unscrew it. Once it's loose, just pull off the top of it, put this guy up to the side. How we're going to do is, we have our model here to show you, so we're going to go ahead and take this guy. You're going to see what you notice underneath here is you have a one plate right here to fasten underneath this plate inside it, underneath here, to the latch underneath. And if you look inside here, you can see there's a little screw right here you can see in the bottom, but that's going to bounce off and fasten itself in. So just like so, take it down, put it in place, wiggle it around until it slides in, get underneath it to see where it's at, and then clank right there, right into place. Now what we do to fasten this down, so we take our Allen wrench here, our 3/16 I believe, our 3/16 Allen head, put it in the top here, and then just fasten it down. Make sure it's nice and snug, not too snug, but just enough. From there, feel it, pretty good solid sturdy. These laptop mounts go for about $125. You can call us up and buy one from us if you choose to. And that is our laptop mount that you can use for the GR series, or for the Roland GR series plotter.